Amazon Flex Driver Review 2021, explained in under 2 minutes. Have you ever heard this saying? You can sit on the sideline and watch, or you can get on the field and play. Here is the reality of driving for Amazon Flex from different drivers who were at some point sitting at home bored out of their brain and wondering how they're going to make more money. And now they are out there on the road banking cash. Peter says, after 1 month of driving, I'm really liking the flexibility, and it's a much better option than offering rideshare services because you don't have to deal with all kinds of random people in your car, sometimes even throwing up last night's dinner onto your car floor. Jack says, I've tried different driving apps and Amazon Flex puts less miles on my car because the Amazon app puts all your jobs really close together. And I can even drive my older car. Darco says, I get paid $72 for a 4-hour block of deliveries. Almost every time I finish early, and it rarely takes me more than 3.5 hours, so my hourly rate almost works out to be $25 per hour, and sometimes even more with tips. Andre says, you are assigned a route when you get to the warehouse, but my best tip would be for any new Amazon Flex drivers is that you can swap routes with other drivers when you are signing in at the warehouse. This gives much more flexibility and lets you work closer to home. Vidal says, you are your own boss and you pick your own hours, which is an excellent way to use up your spare time. And I get to sip on my favourite coffee on the way around. Hit subscribe below and hit the bell icon to get more express money making videos just like this one.